Hello, guys. How are you doing? Welcome to the third episode of Secret Niches. Let's dive quickly into it.
Secret niche number 1.
For the first niche, I have the elephant in the room, that is Punch Monkey. That is this trending couple of monkeys in Japan, a small monkey that has a toy monkey, a orange toy monkey that is going viral in all the social media everywhere. I found this niche like a week ago when there were like 20 results, and I uploaded some designs and I've been selling every day. This niche, some people think it's risky, but I think if you apply the monkey like a drawing, like this one, or this one, or this one, not using the real photo of the monkey, I think it's fine. Look at the BSR. This is selling like hot potatoes. Okay, it's a lot of competition, but I think you can stand out if you, for example, mix it with, I don't know, you can use 6-7, you can use school, teaching, nurses, other trending niches or good demanding niches. Okay, not if you put them just the two monkeys, I don't think that you're gonna stand. But if you put up a phrase or a different layout, you see, or this trending type of design that is trending with the dogs, okay, find your, for example, this pocket design, okay, find a way to stand out, and I think you can start selling on this niche. Okay, this is the first niche of secret niches.
Secret niche number 2.
For the second niche, I got this religious Catholic Christian niche that only has 388 products in competition. It's a phrase that says, "My worship is loud because my wounds were deep." Okay? You see, the BSRs are not as good as the monkey, but are very good. You see the five first designs that are selling like 2 or 3 times a day. This was uploaded like 6 days ago. You see, they're almost all new. Okay, you can mix it with a flower, with a cross. You have to search there how you can make it. You can make it with the gems I've been teaching. Okay, different colors, and it's very low competition. Okay, let's go to the third niche, secret niches.
Secret niche number 3.
For the third niche, I have this St. Patrick's Day cat selfie. This type of design. You've seen this type of design with the cat and the UFO. Okay, now St. Patrick's Day is coming. I think it's the 17th of March. So this search term has 212 designs of competition. The St. Patrick's Day cat selfie. You can put the cat, the leprechaun there. You can put some UFOs and the Sasquatch. I don't know. You can even put the monkey that's trending now, 6-7, some 6-7s in the hands. Okay, but this is already selling good, and I think when it's getting near to the date of St. Patrick's Day, it's gonna trend it even higher. Look at this PSR; it's very good. These are good. Okay, easy. Trending niche number 3. Secret niches.
Secret niche number 4.
For secret niche number 4, it's kind of related to the previous one. This is a new one that I found. It has only 200 results, but it mixing this trend. I got that dog in me that uses dogs smoking and having a beer. That is selling. It's very trendy. You see, I think I talked about this before. You see, it's trending with all kind of dogs. You see here. But this time, the twist is that instead of saying I got that dog in me, it says I got that Irish in me. and using like you can use cats, whatever, a raccoon. And you have to put it like in this realistic like Polaroid photo, and drinking a lot of St. Patrick's Day beer, having fun on St. Patrick's Day. Okay, the BSR, there's only one result with BSR, but I think it's because all the designs are new. Okay, I think this trend will pick up. This is like more like a bet, but I think it's obvious if you mix St. Patrick's Day, Irish, and this trending I got a dog in me, I think it's a very good bet. Okay, this is the fourth niche, secret niches.
Secret niche number 5.
And for the fifth niche, I got this. It's in the reading niche. That is very big on Merch on Demand, and I think it's trending a lot right now with different phrases. But I found this one that says, "Bro, it's a good day to read a book," or you can put, "It's a good day to read a book, bro." Okay, you can even, you see the BSR is good. Competition is 328. And in order to differentiate yourself, I think you can mix it with, because bro is like a Gen Alpha cool key term, you can mix it with, I don't know, 6'7", bros read a book, 6'7". I don't know, you can even put the monkey in there. Get creative. Look, if you are not that creative, you can ask Gemini to suggest you some ideas. I don't know, but reading is trending a lot. I think that mixing this phrase, "It's a good day to read a book, bro," 6'7", whatever, it's gonna be selling a lot. Okay, and it's not that other competition using bro. Okay, hope these new trending niches help you increase your sales, and leave me in your comments what you would like to see in on next videos, anything that you would like to share with me. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Secret niches.